Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing good today. Alright, as you can tell, yeah, I still got the vanity in here. I had to go and change out some of the black stem pipe in the bathroom. I was getting ready to change out one of the shut-off valves, go from the plastic to a regular brass one, and the pipe broke inside the little 90-degree elbow. So luckily I was able to get that off. I had to actually use the cutoff and everything to get it split. But anyways, while that's all setting up, making sure everything's fine there, um, I've got shower head, and this thing is all broke. So, anyways, yeah, it's got some cracks in it. I don't know, it's a cheap one, but the problem is I got the nozzles here that are got calcium and everything. So I'm hoping it's a crack and everything. I just had a piece fall out. But I'm hoping that that doesn't have any effect on it. If it does, I'll just have to go get another one. But here's something I wanted to try and see if it'll work. Went out and about, got this is the Lincoln cutting torch tip cleaner. I'm going, why not? Let's see if it will work as far as getting in there to clean the nozzles out. So we're going to start off, I don't know what size, I'm just going to pick one. I don't know which one that is. Okay, that's the smallest one. Let's go next size up. And we'll go from there. We're going to get in here and get this one picked out. Oops. Okay, we're going to go third. That's the easiest one to get out so far. Let's see how this is on these and everything. That seems to be okay. Alright. That one seems to be clogged up. There we go. That could be the problem. In fact, most of these are just so clogged up with calcium. That's why I'm not getting good flow through them. So I'm going to be messing with this. Yep, that one seems to be clogged up. So anyways, there you go. There's your little tip of the day. So if you've got a shower head that's clogged up, instead of replacing it, go to Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store, see if they got a tip cleaner. And by the way, Harbor Freight does not carry them. Why, out of all the stuff that Harbor Freight carries, they carry everything for welding. They do not carry a torch tip cleaner, which they should. I don't know why. But like I said, if you've got your shower head not wanting to, the nozzles are kind of clogged up, you might want to try doing something like this. Just go in with the tip cleaner. Yeah, that one's clogged up. But there you go. So anyways, I'm going to finish getting all this done. Yeah, I know I didn't turn the mic on. So shoot me, I'm still learning. But anyways, I'm going to go through all this, see how this is, see if I can, how it does. I'm probably going to wind up just getting another shower head, because I think this one was like about 15, 20 bucks at Home Depot. Little cheap plastic one. Yep, there's one. That one was clogged up. So, yeah, that was the problem. A lot of these are just clogged up with all the calcium. So I figured I'd try this, see what it does, see actually how many of these are actually clogged up. See if it'll do any difference in them. But there you go. If you got a shower head that's not putting out a lot of pressure or putting out a lot of water, go get you a welding tip cleaner and try running that in there. And that should take care of it. And you may also want to soak it in some anything that takes care of calcium, lime, and rust. I'm not exactly saying, you know, that particular brand, but anything that will do something like that. But there you go. So, all right, I'm going to get back to doing this. I've still got the bathroom. I've still got the vanity. I've still got to get put in. I've got the, unfortunately, the hot side's done in the bathroom. I've got that taken care of. Now I just got the cold side, which means I got to get another elbow and another about 3-inch long nipple and everything to put on there. Put all Teflon tape on it. Get the new shutoff valve put on there, and go from there. So Monday, I'll see y'all tonight, 7 o'clock Central. But leave me a comment on this. Tell me what you think. If it's a good idea, I don't care if it's a bad idea. I don't care what you think. Just, hey, actually I do care what you think. Just leave me a comment, okay? You know, a lot of guys watch the video. Hey, tell me. You know, don't get to give me a thumbs up. Everybody does watch. They don't do the thumbs up. I know it helps. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell. So y'all stay safe. God bless.